have 3 Tory Burch handbags to unbox for you. I'm going to put these down. It's 3 variations of the same bag. I've been considering this particular bag for several years, but I don't think I've ever actually talked to you guys about it. So today we're going to open these up. I have already taken a peek at them. They're all gorgeous. So we'll open them up and see what I got. And in another video, I'll do a thorough comparison of the 3 bags. So stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe. Click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. So of these 3 bags, I got 3 different sizes. The bag is offered in only these 3 sizes as of now. I also got it in 3 different materials and different textures and all different colors, and I'm really excited about them. So we're going to open these up, see what I got, take a quick peek at them. In another video, I will do a more detailed comparison of the 3 bags and the 3 different sizes with mod shots and all that stuff. So keep an eye out for that. But I'm anxious to get into these packages. Let's get into the middle size first, which I would guess is their most popular size, because I think the smallest one is probably too small for a lot of people, and the biggest one's probably too big for a lot of people, so it's just like Goldilocks. The one in the middle is just right. I should also say 2 of these bags I did purchase brand new but on sale, and the 3rd one I purchased pre-loved. This one I ordered directly from Tory Burch, and I should tell you up front that this particular one I am sending back, and I purchased it knowing that, but I got it because it was on sale so I could get it in my hands a little cheaper, and I wanted to compare all 3 sizes, and I wanted to compare the different leathers, so this will give me an idea of whether I want to add one of these to my collection. The other 2 I'm definitely keeping. Opening up the paper, the bag is inside its dust bag and wrapped in plastic for extra protection. Here it is in the dust bag, and ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, let's get it out of there. It is the Lee Radziwill double bag, and this is in the small size. The sizing is a little weird because I said there's one smaller than this. You would think that would be the small and this would be the medium. This is the small. The one smaller than that is the mini, I believe, and then the large one is the regular size. It doesn't have a name for the size. Now, since I know I'm not keeping this, I won't do a full unwrapping on it, but I will show you what I can. I'll put the name of this colorway on the screen because I don't remember it, but it's this not quite a minty green. It's more subtle than that. It's not as bright. It's a beautiful soft leather with a very nice grained texture. Let me give you a little spin. On the sides there's suede, as is typical with the leather versions of these bags. On the back you have little leather pieces and some hooks for the bag strap, but you don't have to put this strap is not removable. It comes with a shoulder strap. You don't have to put that back there because then it leans forward, which is really weird. It's a terrible design. You can attach that strap right here along with this strap and it works great. So let's continue our spin here, give you an idea. This has the tags on it, but it also has a clochette with a key inside, which has no purpose at all. It's just decoration. Feet on the bottom. This leather is so soft and supple. It's gorgeous. And in this color you have red. Now the wonderful thing about these bags, when you open them, that's just a little magnetic closure there, is they have hidden surprises inside. This is a terracotta colored suede, and then this is a piece of paper to protect it. There's another piece of suede in like a dirty mustard. I don't know what to call that. And on the back of that is this pretty yellow leather. The interior is a textile, has a zipped pocket in the middle, 2 big compartments on either side of that, 3 snaps here that you can attach here to keep the bag closed if you want. And then when you turn around, you have the exact same configuration of flaps and colors. And I'll just pull this back a little bit so you can see how the sangles would hang. This piece of paper comes right off. So that gives you a little bit better idea of how it looks. It's a beautiful, very sophisticated looking bag in my opinion. Personally, I'm not a big fan of the red strap here with these other colors. I would have liked more of a natural brown, but they didn't ask me. This bag retailed for just under $1,000, and as far as I know, it's still currently on sale for about $700. I do think this would be the perfect size for most people, but let's take a look at the other 2. Oh, and the strap inside is the same color as the outside of the bag. Let's open the mini size next because the largest size is very, very special, and I want to save it for last. I bought this pre-loved from the Real. This bag was originally, I believe, close to $1,000, and I got it for about $400, and it is the mini Radziwill bag, which needs to be stuffed. It's a little squashed, but it's in woven leather. Some are leather and some are suede, which is all leather. This is so pretty and special, and you can still find these brand new on sale, not for $400, but still this size and the large size. I'm not sure they made this in the medium or the small size. This one has silver hardware, and it's such a pretty blue, and the pattern is so pretty. I just love woven leather. These come apart with the magnet, just like the other one. And then this opens up to have this light blue suede and then this kind of tan brown suede and then that tan brown, which is so soft. The tiny size doesn't have a zippered compartment. It just has piece of fabric, and then you have the same things on the back there. I think you got a peek of the shoulder strap here. That's the same color as the handle this time. And again, you can still attach that to those rings instead of the dumb ones on the back. Mine did not come with the clochette with key. I am not certain that the mini size does. I'll have to look into that, and I'll put the answer on the screen. Now for the piece de resistance. I posted this one for you guys in one of my community posts because it's an amazing bag. It's very special, and it's on sale, and if it's still available, I will link it below again. And in the community post, several of you commented that you would love to have this bag, and I was really excited by that because I had already purchased it at that point. I'm happy to share it with you so you can get more information on it, get a better peek at it. And by the way, this one I purchased from Nordstrom, but it shipped directly from, and I purchased another Tory Burch bag that you'll see in another video at some point that also shipped directly from Tory Burch, so I thought that was interesting. This one I've already taken out of the plastic, and I didn't wrap it back up just because I don't know why. I just didn't. I'm just gonna pull it out of the box and reveal it to you. Some of you who saw that community post already know what I'm talking about, and boy is it spectacular. It is the Tory Burch Lee Radziwill bag in the large size, which isn't really called large, in eel skin. It's gorgeous. And holy cow, is this one a keeper. Let me give you a close-up first on that eel skin so you can see that a little bit better. And it is soft. It is soft. It feels really nice. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. I don't have any eel. I've been looking for some eel pieces casually for a while. You get the suede on the side. It is a pretty orangey brown color with some red tones too. It's gorgeous. It's a great neutral and a little bit of pop as well. The strap is even covered in the eel. The underside of the strap is leather. Let's undo these magnets. Let that hang. Oh, they hang the best on this largest size. And let's take a look at what we have inside here. This is a blonde suede. And then you have pretty neutral brown suede there, and then a very neutral with a little bit of a yellow tone kind of brown. And let's take the stuffing out because this one is not going anywhere. So the large size has the big zippered compartment there in the textile. And we've got leather and textile interior. That was the back. Here's the front compartment. Here's the clochette, also covered in eel. Let me show you. This is the key, and I don't know how well this will come across at all. Right on the end there, it's the shape of the Tory Burch T logo. I doubt you can see that. If you look at the clasp right here, it has a T imprinted in it. So I don't know if that fits. Let's see. Well, even if it does fit, it won't reach unless you take it off, which is silly. I'll probably take that off and put it on the side because why is it on the back of the bag? They do that with all of theirs, and it's just as dumb as having those rings back there that nobody uses. By the way, if you didn't already get the idea on this, the front pocket here does go all the way to the bottom, as does this back section back here. And what it's doing right now, where it just hangs forward like that, is exactly what it's supposed to do. And this is what I love about this bag. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love this. When I do the comparison video, I'll go into more detail about the history of the bag and details of the bag itself. I also want to do a video comparing one of these to my Fendi Peekaboo and to some lookalike Birkins and Kellys that I have, because a lot of people compare these bags to those bags. But I will say one thing real quick that I didn't realize until I got one of these bags is with this front pocket having that metal piece there, I was thinking that would be a great place to just slip my phone in and I can reach in and out. The back pocket would be better for that because it doesn't have any metal pieces that get in its way. Whereas this one, especially if you have the sangles clasped, you can't just reach in, particularly on the smaller bags, because it's clasped right there. But that does give you extra security on the front pocket too. This one, I told you prices on the other one. This one was originally $1,500 and it's a runway piece. So this bag was featured in one of the runway shows. I got it on sale, and if it's still listed on sale, I will link it below, for about $1,100. So still pricey, but for an eel bag, worth it, worth it. Yes, I love this. And I was really hesitant for a long time to get the large bag, but I don't think it's too big at all. Again, when I do the comparison video, I'll do mod shots and all that, give you more information. Oh, I wanted to show you one more thing. There's a strap in here. This is a shorter strap than the others, but I wanted you to know that even this strap is covered in eel on the outside. It's leather on the inside. Beautiful details. These are truly luxury bags. Some people say, you know, Coach isn't a luxury brand and Tory Burch isn't a luxury brand, and generally no, they're not. But the higher end pieces in their collections, when you're talking about quality, are luxury bags. And it's a great way to get luxury pieces, especially if you can get them on sale, that are as quality as some of the bigger luxury brands, but for better prices. And brand new if you're someone who doesn't want to go the pre-loved market. So there you go. Those are the 3 bags I got from Tory Burch. I hope you enjoyed them. I certainly did, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with these and making a few videos on them. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.